Battersea is a place located in the London borough of Wandsworth, England. It is known for its iconic power station, which is being redeveloped into a mixed-use space with residential, retail, and leisure facilities. Historically, Battersea was an industrial area, but in recent years, it has undergone significant regeneration and gentrification, making it a popular and vibrant part of London. One of the most notable landmarks in Battersea is the aforementioned Battersea Power Station, an iconic building with its distinct 4 chimneys. The power station ceased generating electricity in the 1980s and has since become a symbol of the area's industrial heritage. The ongoing redevelopment of the power station and its surroundings has brought new life to the area and has attracted much attention both locally and globally. Apart from its industrial past, Battersea also boasts a rich cultural scene and is home to a diverse community. The Battersea Arts Centre, a prominent performance and arts venue, is located in the area and hosts a wide range of cultural events, including theater productions, music performances, and art exhibitions. Additionally, Battersea Park, a beautiful green space on the south bank of the River Thames, provides a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Battersea has also become synonymous with the Battersea Dogs and Cats Home, one of the most well-known animal rescue organizations in the UK. The centre has been providing care and rehoming for abandoned dogs and cats since 1860 and has gained international recognition for its work in animal welfare. The residential landscape of Battersea has evolved, attracting a mix of young professionals, families, and individuals drawn to the area's vibrant atmosphere and convenient location. The rejuvenation of neighborhoods within Battersea has seen the development of new housing, retail spaces, and eateries. The area offers a diverse range of dining options, from trendy cafes and gastropubs to international cuisine, catering to various tastes and preferences. Battersea's proximity to central London and its excellent transportation links, including overground and underground train services, make it an attractive location for those commuting to the city for work or leisure. It is also situated close to the popular areas of Chelsea and Clapham, adding to its appeal as a desirable place to live and visit. Overall, Battersea has transformed from its industrial roots into a dynamic and sought-after part of London. Its combination of historical landmarks, cultural attractions, green spaces, and a thriving community make it a compelling destination for residents and visitors alike. The ongoing regeneration of Battersea continues to shape its identity and ensure its place as a vibrant and diverse neighborhood within the city.